Hello, welcome to my Ratatouille channel. Today I want to share some results of a multiple test that I did with my Potensic Atom yesterday. I tried the follow me fly mode of the drone, and for the tests, I was flying the Atom at about 80 feet in the air to make sure that it clears all the tall trees around me, and then I would ride my motorcycle slowly between 10 and 30 kilometers per hour. Um, and just wanted then to see how well the Potensic Atom would be able to track me. Well, the results did not impress me much, but it was totally expected at the same time. We know that it has some basic pattern recognition, but obviously no real AI. In the following 7 segments of videos, you're gonna get to see how well it performs in a bright day, where you have a very bright road with some shades in between. Here, I'm gonna start off with being in the shade, and then I'm gonna cross into a bright part of the road, no problem of the atom following me. I can go back into shade, no problem. But as soon as I go under a tree, it loses track of me right away. This is very consistent. Here again, restarting from a bright area as I'm riding around. It's gonna, what you're gonna see is it's gonna spin around and then try to follow me. No problem here. Into the shade, back into the bright road. No problem here. All right. Now you're gonna see it spinning around very quickly, and as I'm speeding up to 30 kilometers per hour, it has no problem with tracking me. Again, going in and out of the shade. No problem here until I make a right turn. And so as soon as I make a right turn behind the tree, immediately it loses track of me. All right. So another test. No problem with the shade. Again, even if you go under a tree for just 2 seconds, it will lose you completely right away. Okay, another test. So it's flying at about 80 feet up in the sky. There you go, lost me. And in this one last test, I knew that it was going to lose track of me, so I tried to ride in between the trees, so at least it will be able to see a bit of me. Even there are some branches in the middle here, not a problem. So no problem there until I turn right and behind that one big tree. So it's actually pretty good. I think I know now what it likes to do, what it doesn't like to do. So I will watch out for that the next time that I do a follow me video. Thanks for watching.